Miren, ese es el bonito que me dio Ariel from Monsters Inc.
Just got back from a run. Aquí me quedo. Buy a new backpack. Ya no huelo, I'm clean. We had dinner for pizza. Look how cute. I made this a long time ago. But I'm gonna watch Romeo and Juliet porque me falta un poco de amor. Remember that? I have a deadline today, so I'll just be working today. This is my office space right now. It's actually pretty clean. It's usually just shit everywhere, but this is where I work.
Puedo ver. Ya se fue.
Le dé aire de afuera para que...
Al perro, a la perra.
Para que se distraiga.
Atrás. Para que le dé un poco de aire a la perra atrás.
Oh. Oh my god, Ronnie. It's Sunday night. It's Friday. Shut up. This weekend was really just work, and I got to hang out with my grandparents, which was nice because my grandma's sick, and I'm just grateful that I get to spend time with her. And so, yeah, I'm about to eat a peanut butter and jelly sandwich and watch a movie. And I'm just grateful for everything and everyone that continues to work with me because y'all are dope. Y'all are dope.
Okay, so Chelsea, my lovely social media manager, what do you have for us?
Ew.
I have posts ready to go, working with the marketing to finalize any last minute things. The only thing I'm missing is the spotlight for
Why
the
though?
music artist.
Hey, shout out Les.
Hey, great work, Chelsea.
Go watch it.
Now, ladies.
I made me a deal last night that's gonna bring in enough money to get us both on this whole scene.
Let's see what they're feeding the people, you know? But got my setup. I'm just gonna leave it here. I like it. I don't know. Feels different. It's 12:31 a.m. Still up, finishing up some pressing work. Still watching TV. It's nice. It's like somebody's here. I'm gonna continue working for about, I'm gonna say another 30 minutes. I have 2 deadlines and they're going good. My setup right now is crazy. Printer on, printer on, printer.
Angie? You know, I live with the constant fear that every little noise is Angie having a seizure. Just have to hop out the shower real quick. You good, Mama? Say hi. Exactly. Did my hair. Now I'm gonna do my makeup, but we have a shoot today. Y pues no sé qué ponerme abajo because we're gonna be modeling a black t-shirt. Pero ahí va. Makeup is done.
You know what I'm saying? Local to global, fucking north to south, fucking north to south Houston, north to south, fucking the globe, you know what I'm saying? Like multicultural, multi-dimensional, you know what I'm saying? Like
Mike, check 1 2 1 2. I'm looking for those folds, the folds and the highlights. Great. And my video was like real great. Yeah, look. Oh my god.
Oh, it's actually kind of fire.
I can put this little guy in the game, to be honest. If I can.
Oh, it's not that long though.
Actually, yeah. CN tattoo.
I have
I can get your little bag.
pins. Yeah, I'll grab them.
Sueño. I think I'm gonna take a nap. This weekend was really fun, and I love you, and good night.